Hello guys, my name is David. I want to make a video guide for a beginner. That is, you buying VPS from us and you actually want to know how to make use of our VPS. It's very easy and straightforward. Now the first thing is you go and activate your VPS. So you can double click here or you can come down to this. You come down to local disk. You come down to this. Then you come down to MT4. Then you activate, you double click this. So the moment you double click this, it's going to pop up your MT4 terminal whereby you can actually log in and do every other aspect. Now I'll teach you on how to log in. It's very simple and straightforward. Now just double click this part, then enter your broker name, any broker that you are using. So right away I'm using Xness. So and I want to log into a demo account. So the first thing is I'll copy my MT4 account. So I've been able to copy my MT4 account. So I'll come down here. So you click on Xness trial, you click on next, you click on existing trade account. So you will paste in your MT4 number and paste in your password. So make sure that you actually, okay, I think I made a mistake in the password. So let me, okay, so once you've been able to log in, you will clear all this. Right there, it's going to show me invalid account. Can you see? Because I made a mistake in the password. So you can come back here, you click on login to an account to trade because I've already entered Xness before. So then you scroll all the way down, like me now. Okay, I'm looking for Xness, Xness trial 10. Xness trial 10. Come in just a minute. You can also type as well. Okay, this is Xness trial 10. So let me input in my password. Now click on login. So once you are in, this is going to change. Can you see? It's going to change, and trade is going to appear, and your balance is also going to appear. Then you need to enable this. You come down to tools, you come down to options, you come down to expert advisor. You need to also enable this and click on OK. So it's very simple and straightforward. Then the next thing is you need to input in your AI into this system. Now to input in your AI is very simple. You come down to file, you come down to open data folder. So just in case open data folder is not loading, what you actually need to do is you need to just restart your VPS. It's very simple and straightforward. You can see that I click on file, I click on open data folder, right away it's not loading. So what do? I need to do a restart. So you come down here, you click on this and you click on restart. When you click on restart, click on continue. So right away, I've been able to log back into my account. So you come down to here, you change it back to English. So let's go back and activate our MT4 back again. You can come down here, come down to local disk, come down to here, then come down to MT4 and come down to here. To make it faster, you can click on this. It's still the same thing. So I'll double click this right away. So after I've been able to double click this right away, so you can see that I'm already logged in and this is trade. So you can click on this to expand. So you can right click and click on hide all if you don't want to see all charts. So I want to see only gold and Euro USD like this. So you can draw this down for this to show like this, and you can also draw this down for this to show. It all depends on you. Now the next thing is I want to add my AI to this terminal. So you come down here, you click on open data folder. Can you see that it's showing now? You click on MKL4, you click on expert. Now you delete all what you have here. Now let me come back to my AI folder. So this is my AI. I'll copy it here. Then go back to your VPS, right click and paste. Make sure that you are pasting it into the expert folder. Every EA or AI goes with the expert folder. Then you go back. This is for indicator. So you right click or select all, then you delete. So you come back to if your AI has indicator, so you copy the indicator the same way, then you go back to the file, you right click here and also paste. So after you've been able to paste in your AI and your indicator, then you close this, then you come here, you right click, and refresh. So right away, my AI is already showing. So I will drag this and drop, but because this AI is not working here because there's a new update on MetaTrader 4. So, and if you can check, if you come to help, you come to about, if you come to, you'll be seeing 141420. I actually need 1415. So to solve this is very, very simple and straightforward. So what do? Let me close my terminal. Okay, I'm closing this. I'm closing everything entirely. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to go and disable our MT4 from auto update. So how do you do this? It's very, very simple. You come down to here. You come down to local disk. Now, before you go, just come down to view and click on hidden items. So when you click on hidden items, it's going to show every hidden items on this. So right away, then you come down to user. You come down to ADM VPS. You come down to app data. You come down to roaming. Now when you come down to roaming, you will see meta quotes. Meta quotes, you double click meta quotes. Now you will see web install. Now what do? Just click on it once, like this. Just click on it once. Can you see? So you'll be able to copy the text. Then you click out. So you right click, you come to new, you come to rich text document. Now you paste what you copied. Then you now add .txt like this. So what do you need to do? After you are done with this, you come down here, you delete this web install. Delete it totally. So once you are able to delete it, your VPS will stop updating. Then you click on this once, like this. Then you clear it like this. So once you are able to do this, just leave it this way, which means your VPS will always work with any AI. Once you are done with this, then you can close. So the next thing we need to do is we need to change our MT4 terminal to the old version. Now you come to local disk, if you come to here, if you come to MT4, now this terminal is reading, let's see, is reading 1420, is reading 1420, can you see? So we actually need 1415, this is 1420, so I can right click here and delete this, then I'll come to Chrome, like this, I'll come to Chrome, I'll come to our website www.fstforme.com/mt4d. So once you are able to load our file, what you only need to do is to copy the old terminal. So you come to working MT4 terminal, you come down here, then you click on download like this. So once you click on download, it's going to download like this. So you wait for the download to be completed. So once the download is complete, it will show at the top here. Then you come down here. So you right click this, you copy this. Now go back to local disk. Go back to program files. This is where your MT4 terminal will always be. Then double click this. Then you paste the old terminal here. It's very, very simple and straightforward. So you can see this old terminal is showing us 1415. So you double click this. Once you double click, the terminal is going to load and the AI will now start working with this new terminal. So let's see if the AI is going to work. So can you see? It's very, very simple and straightforward. So the best way to fix this is just delete the web install and replace it with a chat. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. We are always available to guide and to support. And for those that also want to duplicate, it's very, very simple to duplicate. Now you just come back to your local disk, you come back to program file. I mean, duplicate is for those that want to have more than one MT4 account. You can only run one MT4 account one MT4 terminal per MT4 account. So you just come here, right click here, copy and paste. You know, we've been able to fix the new folder, the new terminal here already. So just copy the one that has this new terminal. Can you see this one also has the new terminal? So if you keep on duplicating this and this, you'll be able to have more and more to yourself. Now this VPS can only take 3 to 5, which means I should only duplicate 3 to 5 accounts on this terminal. This is 1, 2, this is my 3, and this is my 4th. So I should not go beyond this level on this terminal. So that this is exactly how it works. It's very, very simple and straightforward. So if you have any issues or any questions, feel free to ask. We are always available. Thank you so much.